Hello guys, welcome to this videos. In this video, I'll show you a application or website which allows you to directly run Qwen 3, which is a very popular AI model for especially for programming and web development. So I basically discovered this URL which directly allows you to run this model and create applications. So it's simply a chat bot where you simply write whatever application you want to generate. So in this case, I written this build a scientific calculator, and instantly in seconds it built out this complete scientific calculator. As you can see, this calculator is fully much functional, so I can simply create any sort of operation. You can see it's fully functional. So this is actually the code. If you click the view code button, it generated all this code instantly in seconds. So likewise, so this is the URL where it is hosting. Model scope is the website name, which allows you to simply run models directly in the website. So I've given this URL in the description of the video. So likewise, I can simply say build a image to PDF web app in browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here in the chatbot, you will simply write what sort of application you want to generate, and instantly now it will generate the code for you. So you can see it is now writing the code here, and you can just see the speed of generating the code. It's a great alternative to Claude and Gemini, and a open source module which is Qwen 3. So it is directly spitting out the code here. As soon as you write the prompt here, it will generate web application in seconds. So now it is writing the HTML code here, and then it will also show you the live preview of the application right itself in the application. So I discovered this and it's really fantastic. It gives you a unique application every time whenever you just write the prompt. So no need for coding. So it lets you code. It automatically codes the application, and every time the application generated is mostly correct. There is no errors out there. So now it is writing the JavaScript code here, as you can see. So once complete, you will see the automatically it generates the code here, the live preview, and it also deploys the application as well side by side. So and now we can try this by clicking, selecting a bunch of images. So you can simply change the orientation of the page or quality, margin, everything. It shows the live preview. Click on convert to PDF, and in this easy way your PDF will be generated. And now if you want to also download the code, so there is this option available to you. Click the download code button. For this to work, you just need to register on this website. Click on register and just register on this model scope website, and then you can easily download the code as well. So or you can do the second job. If you don't want to create account, you can simply, there is this button available to you which copy to clipboard. So once you do this, you simply go to your whatever editor that you are, simply paste this code here. So you can see it pasted all this code here. So this is a nice little chatbot which allows you to generate any sort of application. So here I can change this. Let's suppose I say build a, let's say any sort of application you want to text to. So you just need to submit the prompt here, and automatically now it will start generating the code for you. So there is no such limit out there as opposed to other AIs which will give you some kind of a message. It is completely unlimited free. You can try this. So there is no such a restriction out there at how much times you can try this. Simply type this in the prompt, what sort of application you want to generate, and instantly it generates the code for you. So essentially it is using this open source model, which is Qwen 3, which is, as you all know, this is a free open source model which is developed by this company Alibaba Cloud of China. So that's why it's completely free to try. There is no subscription fees at all. At this moment of time, you can go to this website. I've given the link in the description. So it basically constructed this text to speech application in seconds. So as you can see, click on.
This amazing tool allows you to convert any text into natural sounding speech right in your browser. Simply type your text, choose your preferred voice and settings, and click speak to hear it aloud. Perfect for accessibility, learning, or just having fun with technology.
So you can see you just write the text in the prompt and then it will convert that text into speech, and from the drop down you can select any of the speakers in different languages. So it lets you build this application in seconds, and just imagine if you're building it from scratch manually, how much time it will take. So this AI is saving you a lot of time here. So you can see that.
Welcome to our text to speech converter. This amazing tool allows
You can even pause it as well and then resume. So this is any sort of application you can build. You can also see the history, how much application you generated. You get all this. So this is, you can even manually select this. So this is your application. You can Control C and simply paste it in the editor and simply run this now locally inside your own VS Code. So likewise, you can see your application now works right here in the browser itself. It constructed this text to speech converter. So you can change this text here and now click on.
My name is Gautam.
My name is Gautam.
So this is the website, guys. Definitely try this tool. I've given the link in the description of the video. It's completely free. It uses the Qwen 3 AI model to generate your applications, coding applications. So currently it is online. You can go to this website. I've given the link in the description. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.